Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Tiffany, I'm the Tipsy Artist, and today we're just going to be opening up a Tipsy Artist painting kit. So we get these, or you will get these in the mail. I actually work on these here in what I almost like to refer to as my little Santa's workshop. But basically it looks like this when it comes in the mail. So a lot of people I think wonder what they look like now, and we've come a long way during the pandemic. So we've got a really fun little box now. And see, cute little label and all this stuff. So basically, I'm just going to take you step by step through the opening of this so you see what's inside. So, and of course, depending on which type of painting kit you order, it kind of depends on what the contents are, but this gives you a really good general idea of what's inside. And welcome everybody. If you have any questions, please leave me any comments or questions below. And I hope y'all are having a beautiful day. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. So here it is. Here's our box. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And of course, each one has a card that's personalized. So there's the card. And if it's seasonal, I'll usually do something that's seasonal, or I can even do special requests like birthday or something like that. But we have Valentine's Day coming up too, so that's awesome. Here we go. Sending you sunshine. Oops, try that again. All right, sending you sunshine. And then this gives you an example of the line art. So there's the color image, and then there's the line art. This is what we use to trace. This will be inside your box here. All right, and then I've got a fun little thing of some tea here. This is for the palette, the mixing plate. A little bit of party action here. You can blow on this. Sometimes you need that during the process. Kind of helps you relieve stress or whatever, so you can just blow on this. So isn't that wonderful? All right, then a festive napkin. This will help you clean up your brushes. There's always like a little fun size snack of candy in there. It's always varied, so that's in there too. Very fun. All right, then we have our brush kit. So the brush kit, the pencil, the permanent marker, that's next in here. Oh, and there's also some tape in there too that will help secure your, here, let me pull that out real quick. A little bit of tape in here. So this is a really good, this is actually surgical tape. So I'll either have this or washi tape. Washi tape is a little bit more bright and colorful. This kind of depends on what we've got here in stock. Or this is surgical tape. So this is a really good tape too that tries, it's very good at adhering things to the canvas, and then also lifts off really easily too. So this is great tape. So I'm trying to do this more and more as we progress, but sometimes people like the fun glittery washi tape too. So sometimes we do a little bit of both on that. All right, then we have our lovely paint here. So this has 12 tubes of very heavy bodied premium quality acrylic paint. This is excellent paint. So you'll find that it's absolutely much better than a student grade paint. You actually have to add some water to it to kind of thin it out and make it more workable as we use it during the class. So this is great paint. Love this stuff. This is awesome. A little napkin there. Then we have our instructions there. And by the way, every class does come with an online class. So there's going to be a link that you'll go to, and it'll guide you step by step. I'll be on there teaching you how to paint it step by step. And there's also a separate class for tracing. So I have that on YouTube as well. So yay, or Facebook, either one. And then there's just a fun little fun facts, little lesson plan with the painting as well. Fun facts about painting. And then there is your canvas that is in here in the box, and it's a canvas panel. That way it will not be damaged during shipping. It's very sturdy. So that's all your fun stuff in your box, and it's super cute. Definitely very much a festive gift themed box. It's very delightful and pleasant to get in the mail. So as a fun little pick-me-up, self-care for yourself, or as a gift for family or friends, it's awesome. So lots of fun stuff in here, all kinds of goodies. So we'll kind of put it back in there just to give you a little idea here of all the fun stuff. So we're getting really good reviews on this. People just love it. makes them feel really good. And of course, painting also makes you feel really good too. So it is a great way to relax and unwind. And there we go. So there it is. There's our beautiful little painting kit. Very excited to show that with y'all. I'll do another video too. We have different painting kits, so as I do different themes, like we have a new wine glass painting kit, so I'll be showing you that one in a different video. But this just gives you a wonderful idea of everything that's involved. But thank you so much, and y'all have a glorious day. Toodles.